In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for HubSpot CRM. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to the official HubSpot CRM page. You can type hubspot.com CRM into the address bar or search for HubSpot CRM and click the official result. Take a moment to confirm you're on the real HubSpot site by checking the URL and the secure padlock icon. This helps you avoid any lookalike pages. Once you're on the CRM page, look for the button that says Get Started Free. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click that and you'll be taken to HubSpot's sign-up flow. Don't worry, this process is quick and the free plan is genuinely free to start with, so you can explore without entering payment details right now. Next, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can sign up with an email and a password or use a connected account such as Google, Microsoft, or Apple. If you're using HubSpot for work, it's a good idea to sign up with your work email so your account aligns with your company and teammates later. If you pick a connected account, you'll see a permission screen. Review it, then continue. If you're creating a new login with an email and password, make sure your password is strong and unique. After that, follow the on-screen verification steps. HubSpot may send a verification link to your email. Keep your browser tab open your inbox in a new tab or on your phone, and click the verification link when it arrives. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and give it a minute or two before requesting a new email. Depending on your setup, you might also be prompted to confirm your name, company, role, and a few details about your team size or goals. These questions help personalize your workspace and can be updated later. If you're offered two-factor authentication, consider enabling it for added security. Once you've completed the verification and initial questions, HubSpot will finish creating your account and load your new CRM dashboard. You'll land on a clean interface with navigation to key areas like contacts, companies, deals, and more. A brief onboarding checklist or welcome tour may appear. Feel free to follow it now or come back to it later. The important thing is that your account is active and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully signed up for HubSpot CRM. From here, you can start exploring the dashboard, invite teammates when you're ready, and begin organizing your contacts and activities in one place.